What if I tell you there is a browser that supports both Chrome extensions and Firefox add-ons? And believe me, both the extensions work flawlessly on the browser. And the most interesting part is the browser is built on Safari's WebKit engine. So we have a Safari fork that supports both Chrome extensions and Firefox add-ons. That's quite interesting. So actually I was looking for a browser where I could install extensions from both Chrome and Firefox into a single unified browser and get a solid useful browsing tool. I tried a couple of options. One such was Waterfox. It's a Firefox fork. It supports Firefox add-ons, but Chrome extensions are not very reliable. Some Reddit users recommended trying Foxified. It's a Chrome extension that allows you to install Firefox add-ons, but it was also not very reliable, and Firefox exclusive extensions were not able to work on Chrome. Similarly, there is also a Firefox add-on named CRX installer to install Chrome extensions. The same issue here as well. The Chrome extensions are not very reliable on the Firefox. So if you know, Google introduced a new set of rules for Chrome extensions known as Manifest version 3. So all the extensions should use or run on this set of rules, or else they will be removed from Chrome Web Store and will not be compatible with Chrome browser. One such popular extension is uBlock Origin that has been removed from Chrome Web Store. So I was looking for a browser where I could bypass all these restrictions and install uh, Chrome exclusive extensions as well as Firefox exclusive extensions into a single browser. This is when I found about Orion Browser. It's one of the most wonderful browsers, and it, as I said, runs on Safari's WebKit engine, and it looks, works and functions exactly like Safari browser. If you are a Safari user, then this browser is for you. But the only caveat here is the browser as of now only works on Mac. Before installing the extensions, make sure you enable these settings. Click on Orion. Here click on settings. Now under advanced, make sure you enable allow installation from Chrome and Firefox extension. Once this is done, head over to the Chrome Web Store. Here I will try installing this picture in picture extension by Google. So this is a Chrome exclusive extension. So when I click on it, when I click on add to Orion, click add, you will see the extension is added. Similarly, uBlock Origin, as I said, is removed from Chrome Store but is available on Firefox. I can install this as well and click add. And you can see the extension is added. So I was able to install extensions from Chrome Web Store as well as Firefox Web Store. I will show you a test. I will open a video, and when I click on PIP icon, you see the floater or the floating window appeared here. Similarly, the uBlock Origin can block ads on my DigitBin web page. So this browser is what I was looking for, and I hope you also get benefit from it. So if you are curious how it works, so basically all the extensions like Chrome extensions, Firefox add-ons, Edge add-ons, Opera extensions all work on same protocol known as Web Extension API. So Orion browser cleverly pulls out the working extensions or the working code from both the Chrome extensions and Firefox extensions and layer it on the top of WebKit engine. So this way you are able to install extension from both Chrome Web Store and Firefox add-on store. I hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions or if you want to discuss something else, please do comment below. This was not my regular type of video, but I hope it was helpful. Thank you.